Today, we step inside the factory where every iPhone is born.
This is where the magic begins. Solid aluminum blocks are sliced into the sleek frames of iPhones with sub-millimeter precision.
Next, powerful CNC machines sculpt those blocks into smooth, curved edges, perfect for the palm of your hand.
Polishing gives each frame its iconic smooth finish. Anodizing adds color and corrosion resistance.
Microlenses are assembled into the rear camera module. Tiny chips are soldered onto the logic board.
Face ID sensors are perfectly aligned and tested.
OLED screens are checked for flawless brightness. Batteries are laser welded into place.
Core parts, battery, board, camera, come together. The screen is fused with zero air gap. Rear cameras are aligned to the micrometer.
Liquid seals protect against water and dust. Technicians test brightness, contrast.
Precision screws seal the phone tight.
iOS is installed, bringing the phone to life. Touch and sound are tested across all functions. Face ID and cameras run lighting checks.
Drop and bend tests push durability limits.
Final visual check ensures perfection.
Polished, packed, and ready for the box.
Boxes loaded, headed to every corner of the globe. That's how your iPhone is made, start to finish.